Hi guys, welcome to It's All About the Taste. Today I'm gonna be grilling some ribeye steaks. They're one of my favorites and they're very easy to make. I'm gonna be teaching you what to put, how to put, how long to put them on the grill. And I'm gonna be listing the ingredients that we're gonna be needing to grill these perfectly juicy steaks. I have two ribeye steaks here. They're about 1.5 inch thick, as you can see. I have some pink salt here on the side. You may use this one or any salt of your preference, but I prefer this one for steaks. I have freshly grinded peppercorns, 2 stems of rosemary, 2 freshly cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. So let's get to cook. The first thing that I like to do is pat dry my steak. We don't want any water on the steak because we want all the seasonings to really concentrate on the steak. So we pat dry both steaks, both sides, before we add the salt and the pepper. So this is a very easy step. This is the first step you do. And next, I like to add my salt. Obviously with clean hands, you rub it as much as possible. It seems like a lot of salt, but remember that this steak is very thick. So when you're gonna eat it, you're gonna be slicing your steak, so it's not gonna be a lot of salt. You want a lot of flavor on your steak. So you apply it to both sides. You do this with both steaks, obviously. Okay guys, so the first thing I like to do is test my skillet, make sure it's hot enough for the steaks to go on the skillet. So I add a few drops of water, and if it bubbles, that means that the skillet is ready for the steaks. First step is the oil, and second, the butter. And once the butter is melted, we're gonna add the garlic. So we're gonna add the garlic, and immediately we can add our steaks. These are gonna be grilling along or frying along with the steaks. The temperature needs to be between medium and high. So one tip, make sure that once you place the steak on the skillet, don't move it at all. Even though you feel it's gonna be burned, just leave it there for 2 minutes, approximately 2 minutes. Hi, guys, I want you to see this smoke. This smoke gives the steak a very good flavor. I just wanna point it out. Okay guys, so this is how we want our steak to look. Have this brownish color. We need to have this color before we flip it. So this is how I like my steaks. We're gonna be cooking this steak at medium. So this is why we have a thermometer. We're gonna be testing the temperature inside before it's ready to cook. It has to be 134 degrees Fahrenheit. That's for a medium steak, but obviously that all depends on your preference. So our steak is ready to be enjoyed. I'm gonna be plating this steak with some steamed vegetables and a salad. So we're gonna let it rest for at least 5 minutes before we can cut it. Our steak is obviously ready. I'm just gonna show you how juicy it is. With a steak knife, I'm gonna cut it into pieces. And it's so juicy. It looks so juicy and yummy, as you can see. It's so soft. I'm about to enjoy this juicy steak with some steamed vegetables and a salad with vinaigrette. But before I do that, I want to thank everyone for watching my videos and for leaving those beautiful comments down below. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And thank you everyone for watching.